that's Raro, Taro, Black Taro, and yeah, it's a good rival. Whakaalo ma ko. Mawhola. I'm at a Champions of Change event now in Otahu. Hokote, you wanna say something?
Whakaalofa lahi atu ke matolu osi koe awhiawhi nei kua tolo mai a mautolu ke kaina nei o ta huhu ke whakamurina e Niue Champions of Change website. Tō taha e furufuruala mo e whiawhia hakua lewa whoki tuai he whakatūtū he whanau niwe e tō matakupu mo e tō ngahua ke whakatolo maki ki mua e tau puhala ke uru mau aki e tō mahani kua na kai lata ke tausi ki loto e tō loto kaina. So excited that today is the launch of our Niue Champions of Change website. The main focus is for us to try and eliminate but also to improve the way we look after our families. Welcome! How? Come!
Here's another famous Niue person.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah. No.
Jocelyn. Hey Jocelyn, how are you doing?
Lavat malolo,
Malolo, whakaoe.
Hi. How?
Whakaalo ma ko. Oshite e launch. The launch is just finished. I just got home. I didn't record during the presentation because I just wanted to listen. Man, as soon as I got there, John, can you do the takalo? Ooh, on the spot, but I did it hard. Yeah, I did the takalo, just wasn't expecting that. Just a low C. Did that, and then, luckily the Reverend jumped in and helped me out, and Ryan Sakia. He's a police officer based out at Central Auckland, Central City, which was good. The day was good, man. There was lots of good speeches, and shout out to Niue, who's had a big role to play. Big role. Niue is Tongan, but she had to put through all our Niue discussions and referee all the arguments and make sure we stick on track and not talk a lot of siko. But yeah, it's a good day. Niue, Manu does all our food. Akesha. Shout out to my mom, Halo, Tina, Inga, Lima, Kendra, Jenny's sister Christine, who had to do the speech on Jenny's behalf. Etena. Yeah, I've missed out some other people, but it was a good day. Man, but the food. Have any of you heard of Raro Tongan Taro? My mate keeps on saying, man, because everyone knows Niue Taro is the best, but my Raro mate said, nah, Raro Tongan. Raro Taro, black, it's nice. And then look what I brought home. Yeah, that's Raro Taro, Black Taro, and yeah, it's a good rival. I think it was cooked with Kara's coconut cream. So I don't know if it was the Taro that was sweet or the sweetness from the Kara's cream, but man, it was nice. Good feed. Koe kia, Terry. Yeah, and it was good. Brought some food home for my missus. Seafood curry. That was a highlight. So I just brought that home and some taro for the missus. And yeah, so the website's out. Whakatupu ala moui, lalanga whakatupu ala moui. So yeah, man, I ate healthy. So you can tell I'm probably losing some weight, getting in shape. For summertime, training's going good, but yeah, thought I'd just share that with you. Awesome event today in Otahu. Thank you Inga for hosting and doing the catering. Delicious. And yeah, awesome to the Jeannie's daughter who did a dance. But yeah, after this video, I'll play a little clip of the Matua's, the ukulele group playing some songs. Yeah, okay. Kia monui ne aho to Whilawea o nimo ke wangahau Niue whakaoe. Whakamo tumo koe kia.
Go